Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical with Naveed Iqbal. I am back with another application. This application name is Restore My Old Deleted Photos and can do content at in-app purchases 3.7 stars and 4K viewers 44 M 4.4 MB's application and rated for 3 plus and 1 million plus downloaders. About this application, now you can restore all your deleted photo with no routing and one click, and tools photography and photo tools, and this datography, and this. Now I am telling about this application's features. You can see this photo recording, and there are many and various and available but alterations in some and round mist and bird and believable, and you can see these are about, and this next photo icon and home screen photo and recorded and about, and this all about this some half screen in mobile screen. You can see this search and deleted box and about and more and search and share and tick and star and home and share and get done, and this all about this timing, and this see this next, and you can see all these half one screen and half second screen and privacy policy and rent application and get more application, Wi-Fi signal and clock. You can see these are photos, and this you can see themes, color, about, cooking, eating, drinking, hairstyle, colors, and weather, snowing fall, and these mountains, and this summer season, and shipping, and popcorn, and this living in second floor, and you can see this all about pictures, photos, profile, and this next, and please wait and searching and photo recording and connected clock, Wi-Fi signal and battery timing, and this searching please wait. You can see this all picture is downloading, and next photo recover, and this setting about up sign and clock, Wi-Fi sign in signal and battery timing. There are many various of passage and of learn, and if some available, but it majority have suffered an alteration in some form, and the injection homer and this range missed and word, and we don't log even singly and believe, and this like done and share option and photo recover, and you can see this please wait, your picture is downloading, and 1 1 2 50 and items seconds items and time and clock notification and Wi-Fi and signal tower, and this battery percentage next, and time clock Wi-Fi signal and this battery and setting photo recover, and you can see this building and coffee and this summer season and winter and popcorn and snow falling weather enjoying and shipping, and this you can enjoying weather, popcorn and much more. This is beautiful colors, and next this one last. Now I am back this application. Now I am telling about this application, And now you can restore all your deleted photo with a number rotating and one click. And are you worried about your deleted photo and you question yourself how to recover my deleted photo and from card and old photos, restriction from phone memory, and are you taking it will be possible and that may I recover my deleted photos back and that the gallery by any Android photo recover application or photo restrictions application. Is there any Android photo recover application or deleted photo restriction application through which I may retrieve or many deleted photo backup and phone gallery? And yes, you are all the right place and we are introducing and you and do the best photo recovery. Android application will magically and restore and deleted photo with a few easy test steps and use restore my deleted photos and photos recovery application free and get back all deleted photos. Keep supporting, keep watching, must subscribe my YouTube channel Technical with Naveed Iqbal. Allah Hafiz.